Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to play Fortnite on a keyboard. We'll start with the absolute fundamentals. Your left hand will primarily control movement using the W, A, S, and D keys. W moves you forward, S backward, A left, and D right. To jump, simply press the spacebar. For a quick sprint, hold down the left shift key, and for stealthy movement, use the left control key to crouch. Mastering these basic movements is your first step to becoming a formidable player. Next, let's dive into combat and building, which are core to Fortnite gameplay. To fire your weapon, you'll use the left mouse button. For more precise shots, hold down the right mouse button to aim down sights. Switching to your trusty pickaxe is as simple as pressing the Q key. When it comes to building, your building pieces are typically mapped to the F1 through F5 keys. Practice these actions to quickly adapt to any combat situation and construct defenses efficiently. Managing your inventory and interacting with the environment are crucial for survival. You can easily cycle through your inventory slots by scrolling your mouse wheel up or down. To pick up items, open chests, or interact with objects, simply press the E key. For quick access to specific weapons or items, use the number keys 1 through 5. If you need to drop an item for a teammate or to clear space, the G key is your go-to. Efficient inventory management keeps you ready for anything. Finally, let's talk about some advanced tips and the importance of practice. Don't hesitate to customize your keybinds to find a setup that feels most comfortable and intuitive for you. Spending time in creative mode, specifically practicing your building techniques, will significantly improve your speed and efficiency. Watching professional players can also provide valuable insights into new strategies and tactics. Remember, consistent practice is the single most effective way to enhance your overall gameplay and become a true Fortnite master.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.